So on the 190E that I have that I'm working on, none of the windows work, and I don't know, it could be numerous things. It may have no power, etc., etc. But an easy way to test your, and this could apply for any car, it just depends on how easy it is to access the wires. What's so great on these Mercedes is the terminals are right here. I mean, it's like beautiful. So you can apply 12 volt here, and one way is for the window to go up, flip them, then window goes down. So I'm going to see, I bought these doors from a guy off Facebook. I think I got all 4 doors, if I remember right. They're pretty clean. So I'm going to test the windows. Let's see what we get. Just kind of get this a little closer. Negative, negative, positive, positive on the battery. And let's see. Oh, look at that. Now that's nice. That actually works. I tried that on the 190 over on the car, and I got nothing. So let's put the window back up. We'll just swap these. Nice stuff. Now let's see if she'll go down all the way. Remember, you got to stop it because looks like I see some writing on this glass. It's really clean on the bottom. Looks like somebody might have replaced that. So let's put the window back up, and you know what we're going to do is we're going to swap doors, because I don't really care about using the original door. This door is clean, and you know the whole car is going to get wrapped back in satin black, so it's fine by me. It's a hell of a lot easier to swap the door out for me than it is to I gotta see what they might have did with the wires over here, though. We'll have to investigate that, because if they cut the wires, I'll have to splice all that shit back in there, but hopefully they did it the right way.